What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I am really excited, like extremely excited, because I am going to show you guys one of the best sneaker release of this year. This is, in my opinion, the best Air Jordan 1 Low GR release of this year, and this is pretty fire. This is Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas, the OG Mochas. And in the first place, the box looks pretty interesting. They have changed the color on the box, because normally typically Air Jordan 1 Low boxes are red and black, but this time they have used some sort of color here. They wanted to use brown, I believe, or they were trying to do that, but this is not a brown like mocha brown, because the shoes is a different color, the box is a different color. Still an interesting box, because we don't normally get that. So yes, it's a good thing that we have got an interesting box here. And when we open the box, we directly get the shoes. So this is Air Jordan 1 Low OG Mochas. Okay, so the first impression out of the box, this is perfect. This is just a beautiful sneaker overall. They have executed it so perfectly, like extremely good, and I'm really happy Jordan brand has done this, because 90% of time whenever they do a low top version of a high top sneaker, they will change something. They will change the leather, they will change the color, they will change the stitching or something else. But this time, this is the exact pair, this is the exact low cut of the OG highs. Like you guys already know, there was a Air Jordan 1 high released in mocha colorway. This was the exact color on that pair, and exact material, exact leather, everything was just similar to this pair. And now they have released the OG lows in the same exact form, so I like that. And yes, watch this video till the end, because I want to give you guys some secret information which might help you guys with this pair. So yes, watch this video till the end. Now talking about the quality and the material used on the sneaker. This is a full leather upper sneaker with this suede back heel and back tab in that mocha colorway. And apart from that, this white leather and this black leather are two different leathers, because this black one is the normal leather, but this white leather is some really good quality leather, because this is really soft to the touch. Just have a look at this. This is amazing, right? And just to be very precise, this color you see is not white. This is some off-white sail kind of color, but in camera it might look white. And again, on the midsole it is not white, it is that vintage midsole. And then we have black on the outsole, black on the swoosh, black on the toe guard, and that sail panel everywhere else. And this is a Air Jordan 1 OG lows. This will definitely fit true to size. I'm not going to try this pair, because this is not my pair, and this is a UK 10. So if you guys are trying to buy this pair, just go true to size, do not worry about the sizing. Now talking about the release on this pair and how you can buy it. So yes, this pair basically released 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks back, something like that, on Nike sneakers app in India. And I believe there were a lot of pairs, and that is the reason a lot of people got it, but I didn't for some reason. But a good news for whoever has not got this pair. This pair has again been listed on Nike sneakers app, so there is one more chance you can buy it from Nike sneakers. And yes, I have got a news that Veg Non with Super Kicks or Extra Butter limited edition, whoever the retailers in India, have not got some certificate of selling this pair for now. So that is the reason they are not going to drop this pair. So this might change in future. This might they might get the certificate, and after that they might drop it, but for now they are not going to drop it. So maybe there won't be any other drops of this. So Nike sneakers is going to be the only chance for you guys to buy this pair. And one more thing, talking about the pricing on this pair. This pair is for 12,500, something like that, and after shipping and all, this pair will come to 13,500. And on top of that, this pair is now reselling for a lot, that is 18 to 20,000, somewhere like that. So if you want to buy this pair, you will have to pay around 18 to 20,000. Do not pay more than that, I believe, for now, because 20ish is a good price for this. Maybe the bigger sizes might go higher, like 12, 13, something like that might go higher. So check your markets, check your good resellers, and only buy from good resellers, legit resellers, because things are pretty salty out there. And the last thing, should you buy this pair? It's a very simple question, and I have a very simple answer to it. If you have a budget of around 20,000 or 18,000, somewhere like that, and you want to get a very good, like extremely good Air Jordan 1 Low this is the best pair you can buy right now. Great material, great colorway, like you can rock this pair with hundreds of outfits. That is the plus one of this pair. And most importantly, this is a very classic colorway now because Travis has made this colorway very popular, and after that it has just boomed. So everyone likes this colorway, everyone wants to get this colorway, and this is pretty neutral as well. Like not even sneakerheads, normal people like this pair as well. So yes, if you have that budget, if you want a neutral pair, this is the one you need to buy. And if your budget is not this high and you want something for everyday wear under 5,000 rupees, was this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.